Assalamualaikum. Our group has been decided to choose washing machine for our PBL project. Washing machine is a device used to wash laundry. This machine is one of the important used in nowadays. There are some problems for washing machine. First of all, the machine not spin properly. Secondly, low quality machine. The machine cannot turn on when the button on.
The objective is to make students think outside the box by applying the knowledge that we learn to the surrounding system. Second, to make the student familiar and learn more about 68K coding that make the system that they design work successfully. Third, to make the students creatively design their systems based on requirement of actual system and improve the system itself. The scope for the project is about the washing machine system. This project uses switch, LED and motor. So when the switch is on, the motor will rotate along with a timer. This project does not cover the 7 segments, water level, and repetition of motor rotation in the process washing and spinning.